This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a pinch bowl, silicone pinch bowl on my Amazon link, full of leftover colors. The last one I see in there is Pink Diamond, and the one I'm going to add after it is going to be Mayan Gold. And I'm going to just put that aside, use some of my Mead and Black paint. I'm not sure what I'm going to do once I put that paint on there. I might just dribble it on to begin with and see what happens. I have a slightly thicker than, I don't know how to describe this. I have a nice layer of paint that's not going to run in a big sheet to get away from me if I tip my canvas, which is totally okay with me. But it's going to cover nicely without a lot of excess waste. And I don't need to keep playing with my OXO omelet turning, flip and fold, best paint spreading spatula I know of tool, but somehow I just keep doing it anyway. Alright, so let's do something super simple. See how far it'll spread. Using my dregs up. And that is definitely just for, oh, that is a dog hair. I see that dog hair. Come here, dog hair. Looked more like a piece of sweater fuzz, actually. That, I'm not sure what that was. So these are the Prism Pour paints from Colour Arte, and there's a 20% off coupon underneath the video. I am not certain that I wouldn't have been happier with a little bit more liquidous version of this, but I'm also not done. I'm just getting started. And I could certainly put some more, let's try that. Let's put some more Mead and paint around. See if it pulls the other paint down like it's supposed to. Maybe alternatively it'll push it back, which is what that seems like. That's kind of a neat idea. I hadn't thought about that, putting the black in and then letting it move around. Why don't we do that? And now I have a plug. They're nice colors. Maybe they'd be nice swiped. It looks like a rhinoceros with a dull horn to me from this angle. I think what I want to do is take some more colors, some Bonfire, and a little more Pink Diamond. And what? And some Water Dragon, if I can get it to come out. I've got some Chantilly lace, which might be nice to know what happens to it on a black canvas. Probably I'll just sparkle things up. Definitely thinking swipe. I've left paint on my swipe card. Let's use some gold. some white. Getting some cool cells. Some purple. Wipe my extra paint off. Oh, I just got rid of those beautiful gold cells. Being called to the bonfire. I'm actually being called to just playing with my card. And then possibly adding some more colors with my squeeze bottles if they'll come out. Kind of like that. How about some of the Mayan gold? Where from? Right there. So I don't know what to describe this as. Desperate measures. I actually like it. I don't know that I need to tip it that much, and I did say I wanted to put some bonfire in there, so bonfire I will. As long as it's deciding to come out. Not sure I'm being a good teacher when my bottles aren't releasing my payload correctly. But I'm not feeling unsuccessful either. I think I want a little more gold right here. There we go. Well, I'm not sure what it is, but it is what it is. That is my water dragon. Before I do another video, I'm going to have to check all my bottles, I think. Or trim the tops out so they're not quite so small. I think I better do something everybody can do pretty quick. Alright, I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Stay out of trouble if you can. Know that I post 7 days a week. If you'd like to help me out, a thumbs up would be great. I actually really like this, and it was just me pretty much doodling with what I had to work with. And I don't want to do anything else to it because I like my colors very much. It's exciting. Please share my videos if you feel like it. Watch my watch the commercials to help me out if you'd like. Know that I have a link tree with Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook groups, my My Amazon link is a great place to shop. It helps me out eventually. And my two books are there because I can, and Unlimited Possibilities. And I like the parts that have the stripes that are left behind. I should probably try and shimmer that at you. I'm not sure it'll work with the lights at this point, but I can try. I can. There's some really, really pretty gold cells in there. It's evidently doggy dinner time if you can hear my husband calling the dog in the background. Alright, I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Can I get any closer? Maybe. Alright, bye for now. Priscilla out. If I forgot to tell you anything, you'll see it in another video I post 7 days a week. See you anon. Thanks for the inspiration. Priscilla out.